So, hello guys. So, today is our second day of seminar.
We attended a seminar in preparation for our practical next year. It was one of those moments that made everything feel more real. At first, we thought it would just be about guidelines and reminders, but as the seminar went on, we realized it was about more than that. It was about preparing us not just as students but as a future teachers. We talked about expectations, responsibilities, and the challenges we might face inside the classroom. From managing students to handling pressure, every topic reminded us that teaching is not easy but it is meaningful. This seminar helped us understand that practicum is not about being perfect. It's about learning, adjusting, and growing along the way. It's where our lessons from textbooks will finally meet real experiences. You know what, guys? There were moments of excitement and moments of nervousness too, because next year we won't just be observers anymore. We'll be stepping into the role we've been working toward. As we move closer to our practicum, we carry the lessons from the seminar with us, ready to learn, ready to make mistakes, and ready to grow. This is just the beginning of our journey as future educators.
Thank you for believing, Jo. God bless us. Yeah, good luck. Our food.
May ka nang manimba. Padung may manimba para alas 9, alas 9.
Walang may banyog
Di ba, Astar, alas 11 man to para na. Pag gumana na nanimba
So, we're done.
Padung may simbahan na.
Lunch, eating our lunch.
500 kapin. Pag
Tukatim.
pauli na sa dun tato. Himingaw naman kesanan. Doon na namin ikuan. Nangingsyaw man eh.
Today, we finally started making our graphic for our research, guys. It honestly felt a bit nerve-wracking, but at the same time, really exciting. Once this part is done, we can conduct our survey and finally let people try our product. We took our time preparing everything and made sure not to rush the process. We wanted to do it properly because every small detail can affect the results of our research. For the ingredients, we use flour, sea urchin, food coloring and seasonings, and also the water. Simple ingredients, but we still had to pay close attention to the texture, color, and overall consistency. While mixing everything together, it hit us that this project was no longer just an idea on paper. We were actually creating it step by step. It was tiring not going to lie, but it was also fulfilling. Moments like this remind us that research isn't just about data and requirements. It's about teamwork, patience, and learning through trial and error. This day may seem small, but it's a big step for us. One step closer to completing our research and moving forward with confidence. So this is our T1. We only added black pepper to the sea urchin, flour, and just a little bit sugar and salt. It's simple, but we wanted to test the basic flavor first before adding anything else. As we mix everything, we paid close attention to the texture and how the seasoning blended in. And after steaming it, guys, we sliced it into squares, but honestly, it didn't really come out square, guys. After that, we place it in ice water so it won't stick to the container, guys, because we still needed to transfer it to the baking paper to sun-dry it.
Ano kami sa ha? Ipabugnaw ni mo na. Mutubo man na.
Matako man ni Igko na eh. Di ba niya uso sa soft spoken?
Siguro mutubo man ni.
Orchin Krupik. Blur day itong camera.
So this is our Tito, guys. For this one, we just added another ingredients, which is the powder garlic powder.
Kanang okay ra mga ceramic.
Ang big deal. Ano ko kumpulma? Hindi man ako ngayon sa kumpulma.
Kanang dili siya katong kanang yung mga ceramic like.
Lapit ka ng jo.
Dahil siya sa kanang
Mga
plastic
grupo
yun
to.
siya ba?
Bil ka dito sa
Ang ceramic sinaw man.
Yung kumpulma lapit kayo. Bel!
Ah, sige. Gala. Nya isod na ko dagong bagbag or isa ba?
Water. Kari na.
Sige, smile piyang.
Smile ba ko? Mong cellphone. Nanggat tayo.
Ayun na natong titre kanunis. Bukan eh.
Sayo ko.
Sayo! Ang lit pa din nag-iwan sa'yo. Ang galing na kita talaga sa'yo. Ang pinakasayo. Wait, Lin eh.
Oh, yes.
Ang pinakasayo lagi nag-ingon ba eh?
Yun is ang tito, hindi. Ugma na niya mo, ugma na eh.
Wala sa pagma.
Ganing nagkibuhat ni Ron.
Kaya si Madi.
Wala si Madi, wala sa clear.
Kay documentation ba bumutak. Pangitaan
Sige na, fighting na.
Kung fight.
Lain mo yan ha. Huwag mong i-push. Ganyan ba? Huwag mong i-push yan.
Dadala yung tubig, no? Nagpyo. Tulad ko eh. Awa.
Bahan ko lang eh.
Nagpyo.
Gusto isa ato ang equipment ba kay wala ni nalistan no?
Ha?
Ang kana electric. Akin na kana.
Mixer? Naman. Diba?
Mixin mo na.
Oo, muna ito mixin.
How?
Ano yung kilit-kilit? Kasi ito lang, muna naman. Ubus ba?
Graang bata oy.
Ako ba gano'n? Tubig, ang init na.
Sige, gano'n ako. Bagra ni bata. May ni pusilon.
Magyo pay color.
Ay,
Ay,
nako.
dapat no kay.
Ay, nasigreklamo dira.
Mixer sa din dato ang katungkuan.
Ay, sa anong lagyan po na? Kasama una na, ang lasa, makuan.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw, manibutin.
Medyo niya. You buy ice. Mas nindot na yung ice.
Dapat pala, gila. Yung mata. Mata naman.
Okay, nindot siya na yung ice. Kaya di siya mapilit.
Ay, sa rito ni mo?
Minut siya may ice lagi lang, kaya na, pinitin siya. Namahila ka skill yun. Umut lagi ni siya, guys! Oh, smells good!
Garlic man.
Ang sa'yo, gigamit ni mo, ano na rin ni Red.
Gulo rin!
nagtibog ko lagi.
Apa ko na human.
Tigbog
Ingat kapi ya, mura yun di sa anon da.
Uy, yan bataan ni oy.
Sige so, samong ginas nagkuntak after. Wala ko mga tubo.
Madungon man in taon ni wa mangguro ni kasuway pa maligyag pinaypay sila ha.
Sa ulo naman direksyon pinay pa.
Wajud ko.
Sino ba ni ko dyan na may panay jo?
Sa una magpinaypay ko dahan di ko negosyo sa una. Tama na naman ko tindahan sa una man. Sa bye-bye man dako dagan naman kay tatag sud.
It's dark. Uy.
Nalagan sa tubig na.
Oh, dagan akong gipunan ganiya.
Labot ko kay kung oy ako.
Daghan kay mga kuan.
Sige na oy.
Only 1 cup, half cup na. Usara. Oh, kana sa kanya.
Dari ma'am.
Bebe ko.
Dari ma'am.
Ala ba dukot ka? Ha? Bebe ka dyan. Kapit sa'yo. Sama yan. Pusa na na. Manghina-hina ang tagmi po.
Banani sa tito?
No, wa pa gani na ikalab na te. Kinalab. Ayaw to te, ayaw to te. Uy, magpangit pero sige pangutana.
Kani gulit eh.
Kanang kay bawo ka nga.
Duha kaya.
Tantatol naman na.
Wala ni liki na lagi na. Na over na.
Try na kanino.
Kay kuan. Hapit na ko.
Pila ni usara tapos man to siya.
Gitudluan kita niya bang palawaw.
Di man make sure lang. Drying our krupik.
Yung iko?
Awo na, lamiso na dito. Miso. Miso.
Luwi